Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use AI portrait generator on a CapCut PC. So this is the CapCut web version. You can access it by go to CapCut.com. Don't forget to sign in into your account, and if you don't have one, please register, please sign up. So after you log in, after you sign in, please go to the magic tools feature. Scroll down and try to find for images. This is the portrait generator. Generate AI portrait in various styles. So you can click it. So here you can drag and drop file. For example, let's drop this picture. And here there is some style like pop, manga, 3D game, or Hong Kong cartoon. Let's try the 3D cartoon. Click transfer and wait the process, wait the AI generating your photo. And here we go. This is the 3D cartoon, and let's try the manga. And this is the manga. Not 100% accurate, but worth to try. And this is the 3D game, and this is the Hong Kong cartoon. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe this button below. See you in the next video.